Assalamualaikum. Welcome to this video. This video is about building use, form, and mazing analysis.
Time for Teletubbies!
Tinky Winky,
Tinky Winky,
Dipsy,
Dipsy,
La La,
Lala,
Ho,
Ho,
Teletubbies, Teletubbies. Say hello.
Big house.
This concept is essential tool in urban design to helping architect, planners, landscaper, and also designer to create a functional, sustainable, and also visually appealing environment. In this video, we will explore this topic through the framework of Hamid Shirvani's urban design process and New Zealand's urban design toolkit. Let's start with the definition. Building use refers to the function of a building such as residential, commercial, or mixed use. For example, a mall serves as a commercial space, while a school is for education. Meanwhile, form is the physical shape of a building. It includes details like height, width, and architectural style that define its appearance. Think of the Eiffel Tower's iconic silhouette. Its form makes it instantly recognizable. Next is mazing. Mazing is the three-dimensional bulk or volume of a building. It considers how the building size and shape fit within its surrounding, affecting elements like skyline harmony and space between structure.
Okay, now that we understand the definition, let's talk about why these analyses are important. So let's get right to it. Okay, so building use ensures that spaces are allocated appropriately. For example, residential areas should be separated from the noisy industrial zones to improve the quality of life for residents. Form shapes the character of a city. A unique building form can become a landmark, such as Sydney's Opera House, which is both functional and iconic. Massing affects how buildings interact with their environment. It determines how sunlight reaches public spaces, the flow of wind, and the overall walkability of streets. These analyses contribute to creating spaces that are functional, sustainable, and enjoyable for people. Without them, urban areas risk becoming inefficient, unattractive, or even safe.
So, how we conduct building use, form, and massing analysis is done through a systematic process. First, site analysis begin by understanding of the site. Study existing buildings, open spaces, topography, and climate. For instance, are there tall buildings nearby that might block sunlight? Second, building use identification. Examine zoning maps, demographic data, and community needs to determine the appropriate function for each building in the area. Third, form analysis. Sketch the shapes, height, and setbacks of proposed buildings. Consider how they will look from different perspectives and how they align with the surrounding architecture. And lastly, massing evaluations. Create 3D models to simulate how the building's volume interact with its environments. This includes assessing impacts like shadows, breath-relations, and skyline harmony in the cities. To sum up all, following this step ensures a well-thought-out design that integrates seamlessly into this urban context.
To see this concept in action, let's start with a local example, which is the Petronas Twin Towers KLCC in Malaysia. These towers house office, a shopping mall, and an observation deck, blending corporate and public functions in one landmark. The sleek design, inspired by Islamic geometry, reflects Malaysia's cultural identity while maintaining a modern aesthetic. The tower's tapering shape and placement create a balanced, iconic addition to Kuala Lumpur's skyline. Next, let's look at Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. This iconic development includes hotels, a casino, a shopping mall and event spaces catering to multiple needs in one structure. Its design resembles a ship resting on three towers, creating a distinct and memorable silhouette. Despite its size, the building integrates well with its surroundings and complementing the waterfront and enhancing the skyline. Finally, consider the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. This mixed-use skyscraper contains office, residence, a hotel, and observation decks. Its design mimics a desert flower spiraling shape, giving it a distinctive and elegant profile. As the tallest building in the world, its slender structure minimizes wind resistance and integrates seamlessly with the surrounding urban and desert landscape.
In conclusion, these analyses are essential for shaping cities that are fashionable, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into urban design.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!